Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making easy beef stew in biscuit cups. So what all goes into the easy beef stew in biscuit cups? 1 can, 10.2 ounces, Southern Homestyle buttermilk biscuits, 5 count, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, and you can cut these into smaller pieces if need be, 1/3 cup chopped onion, 1 teaspoon finely chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons flour, 1 can 18.5 ounces progresso rich and healthy beef pot roast with country vegetable soup. That's a mouthful. 1/2 cup frozen peas and carrots, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 375. Take 5 custard cups or 5 ramekins and put them upside down and spray the tops and the bottoms with nonstick cooking spray. And I'm going to take paper towel and wipe them to get into all the crevices. Most of the times you'd have maybe a plain custard cup that didn't have all the ridges. If you don't have custard cups or ramekins, you can take a jumbo muffin pan and put that upside down, and you can use that. I don't have a jumbo muffin pans, but if I did, I think I'd rather use that because you don't have to worry about these sliding into each other or anything like that. And I'm going to kind of set these off to the side for just a little bit. So take your can of biscuits, open them up. 5 is an odd number, I think. That scared me. I didn't think it was going to pop. It let out a little sigh and then it popped. And these things scare me all the time anyway. Separate them into the 5 biscuits. And I'm going to put some flour on the cutting board here and my little rolling pin. We want to roll these out to about a 4.5 inch round so they fit on the bottom of these ramekins. Then I'll finish that and I'll be right back. So I'm only going to do one for you and do the rest off camera, but you take your biscuit, you want to make sure that it covers the top and down 3/4 of the way. There we have it. Most of it's 3/4 of the way down. I'll finish that up and we'll be back in a minute. So they're not all even. Hopefully we'll make a bowl. We'll put this in the preheated 375-degree oven for 15 to 17 minutes. After 16 minutes, I took it out of the oven. They are a beautiful color brown. Some of them look like bowls and some of them not so much. So just carefully take these off and set them on cooling rack to cool. Take a 10-inch skillet over medium-high heat. Take your 2 tablespoons of butter. Melt that until it sizzles. It is sizzling. Add your mushrooms, which was 1 cup sliced, and I sliced them smaller than they were. 1/3 cup chopped onions, and the 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. And cook that, stirring occasionally until vegetables soften, about 3 to 4 minutes. The vegetables are soft. Reduce your heat to medium and add your 2 tablespoons of flour and stir that for 1 minute. Stir constantly. Then gradually add your can of progresso soup. And stir that. Add your frozen peas and carrots. which is 1/2 cup, and your 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, and I have 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and stir that until heated through and thickened slightly. So when your soup is done, take your little bread bowl and put your soup in that. Even with it being wonky, it did hold it. I'm impressed. So here is the easy beef stew in biscuit cups, and rounding out the meal is bacon crunch salad. Let's see what Dave thinks. Easy beef stew in a biscuit cup.
Okay, well that's interesting.
Yeah, the cups didn't really turn out quite like I wanted them to.
Well, looked like a turtle, you know.
There you go.
Kinda.
Easy beef
Sorta.
stew in a turtle cup.
Yeah, and you get to eat the evidence if you get up in the middle of the night and have one.
That's right.
And no dishes.
Even better.
Oh, that's good. I'm tasting a mushroom or something.
Yeah, there's mushrooms in it.
That's good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.